It's a nice sunny day outside. I'm babysitting today. I got my coffee. Oh, that tastes so good. My dad made the coffee today. But our creamer tastes to me like birthday cake frosting, like cake frosting. It's French vanilla though. I sometimes drink a little bit of it in the thing. But yeah. So I have to babysit today. I got to make sure that the dishes are done and the house is clean and all that. Took a little bit of a nap recently. Didn't really fall asleep too much, but just a little nap. And our power went out during my nap. But it's back on. I don't know why it went out, but it did. But everything's good. My dad had to fix the breaker. He had to turn everything off and turn it back on. But yeah, so but I'm just gonna relax and chat and watch YouTube and stuff. So I love you guys. Thumbs up and subscribe. All right, bye.